got ourselves a new form. It's called the standard form. And standard form is basically when the x and the y are on the same side. Now, don't worry about the A and capital B and capital C. These are just, we put them capital because we want to tell you they're numbers. In an example, they're going to be the numbers in front of the letter, or we call them coefficients. Well, notice that in our problem, the x is not with the y. So we want to fix that first. So let's write this problem down here. 2/3 x plus 4/7. And look at this. To move the x to the left, all we do is the opposite, which is a minus 2/3 x. We do it on both sides. So the x's cancel and the fraction as well. They're done. So my problem so far is this. We have negative 2/3 x plus y is equal to 4/7. Well, let's go back to the standard form. Do you see any fractions? Nope. That's because the standard form does not like fractions. We need to get rid of them. Well, I've taught you since the first week of school, if we want to get rid of fractions, we multiply the entire thing, the whole equation, by the bottom fraction, by the bottom number. We call this the denominator. Notice we have a 3 at the bottom and a 7 at the bottom. So we're going to multiply the whole thing times 3 and times 7. So instead of multiplying it by 3 and 7, couldn't we just say, let's multiply everything by 21? You guessed it. And it's a 21/1, so let's start multiplying. 21 times negative 2, that's just simply a negative 42 over 1 times 3 is a 3. Don't forget the x. 21 times y is just a 21y over 1. And what's 21 times 4? Wouldn't that make it 84 over, what's 1 times 7? That would be 7. Okay, here we go. We still have fractions, but look what happens when we try to simplify them. What was 42/3? 42/3 is simply, we're going to move this over here now. Negative 42/3 is negative 14. Don't forget the x. 21/1 is just the same, 21y. Now what's 84 divided by 7? Let's get a calculator here. We actually get a 12. Notice we no longer have fractions. The x and the y are on the same side, and the number, the constant, is on the other side. And that's how you turn it into standard form. There you go.